last you a lifetime and don't have to cost a lot of money. The key is to start with a solid pan and keep up with maintenance. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of our top picks for cast iron pans. Before we get into it, if you're new here, click the subscribe button in the corner. Seasoning a cast iron pan is how you can make it non-stick, and it can last that way for years. To season, you're essentially baking on a very thin layer of oil into your pan. If your pan comes pre-seasoned like all of our picks, you can start cooking with it right away. One tip is to make cornbread first. It will add a layer of fat to the pan and allow the pan to heat at a consistent temperature for an extended period of time. After testing our first batch of cornbread in every pan, we made a batch of fried eggs to see how non-stick each was. Next, we poured oil from the pans to see how well the pour spouts worked. Then, we seared New York strip steaks to see how they browned the meat and how easy the pans were to clean. The more you cook in it, the more non-stick it will become. When you're done cooking, wash out your pan with some water. You can even use a little bit of dish soap for those really hard to get spots. Boiling water and salt can also be used to remove stuck-on food. Just make sure that when you're done, you dry off your pan completely. Finally, we seasoned the pans according to the manufacturer's instructions and then fried off a couple more eggs just to see how the surfaces did. Our pick for best overall is the Victoria 10-inch cast iron skillet. This pan is a more refined version of your classic cast iron skillet. It's lighter weight than most, has wider, deeper pour spouts, and a super smooth surface. This pan cooked eggs perfectly right out of the box, and we found our cornbread to be evenly browned. The affordable price makes this our top pick. Another favorite is the Lodge pre-seasoned 10-inch cast iron skillet. Lodge was the first company to introduce pre-seasoned cast iron cookware, and it set the industry standard. This is the pan that I have at home. It's what we use on set and what we use in test kitchens. It's a little weightier than our top pick, but still easy to work with. This pan is perfect for searing steaks, and the helper handle is great for shallow frying and getting the pan in and out of the oven. Plus, the pans are made in the US and come in at an affordable price point. Our pick for the easiest to maintain is the Le Creuset Signature Skillet. Unlike traditional cast iron skillets, this Le Creuset pan is made of enameled cast iron, meaning it doesn't require seasoning and can be washed with soap and water. This skillet is a great option for those looking to do stovetop cooking at higher temperatures, like searing steaks and flipping burgers. This pan has all the benefits of a cast iron pan without the maintenance that goes along with it. So cast iron cookware is really one of the only things in your kitchen that can last multiple lifetimes. You can pass this on to your kids, and it comes in at an affordable price point. If you want more awesome videos like this, then subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel.